This is the Screencastify by Google. It's a new platform for doing casting, screen recording, video recording, and audio. So you can either create from a fresh or you create from an existing YouTube video. Or you edit using AI editor, Castify edit, or you submit request video from anyone from anywhere. Now this is usually the screen, the dashboard of the Screencastify. From there you will see my username having one user. Now while creating your account on Screencastify, of course you will use your Gmail account, and you will be asked to specify either you are a student, a teacher, a school administrator, network operations, or a business professionals, etc. Now, this is where you invite users to come and create their own account on Screencastify, or you upgrade your plan. I won't be checking more on the upgrade plan, but you can see you have home, which is where we have, that's why it's being grayed out. You have my library, existing projects or videos I've done in the past are usually located here. You have Castify edit, then premium like assessment. Under assessment is where you have live learning, quiz, and submit. Then of course you have my profile. Now look at these three dots on the lower hand side. It's usually a tool for you to have more menu. It's usually a menu button where you have other things you can perform on a particular page. So you can see you have account management, discover, university support, blog, meaning you can easily do a school blog on this. Now you have your logout tab. Now on the right hand side you can see this is where you create a new video. You can choose to create a new video. First, before that, you need to get your phone extension. You need to enable devices, the mic and the webcam. Of course, I'm using a desktop currently, that's why I won't be able to enable my webcam. Now open the extension is right here, and then you can do anything you want. So try out Screencastify and let me know in the comment section what you think about it.